Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a highly anticipated camera for content creators, the Sony ZV-1M2. Known for its compact size and promising features, I've been using this camera extensively for a couple of weeks now, and I'm ready to give you my honest take. Design and build quality. Let's start with the design. The Sony ZV-1M2 maintains a compact form factor, making it incredibly portable and easy to handle. It's lightweight yet feels solid in hand, which is great for long shooting sessions. The buttons and dials are well placed and intuitive, catering to both beginners and experienced users alike. However, I do wish Sony had included weather sealing, especially for those outdoor shoots. Image and video quality. Now, let's talk about what matters most: image and video quality. The ZV-1M2 features an 18 to 50mm wide-angle zoom lens, which is versatile for capturing various scenes. The image stabilization is top-notch, providing smooth footage even when shooting handheld. Colors are vibrant, and details are sharp, thanks to the 20.1-megapixel sensor. However, in low-light conditions, there is noticeable noise, especially at higher ISO settings. It's not a deal-breaker, but something to keep in mind if you shoot a lot indoors or in dimly lit environments. Autofocus performance. Autofocus on the ZV-1M2 is where it really shines. Sony's real-time IEF and real-time tracking are incredibly accurate, making it a breeze to keep subjects in focus, whether you are shooting yourself or someone else. This feature alone is a game-changer for content creators who value quick and precise autofocus. Audio quality. As for audio, the built-in microphone is surprisingly good, capturing clear sound without much distortion. Sony has also included a windscreen accessory to help minimize whine noise during outdoor shoots, which is a thoughtful addition. For serious vloggers or filmmakers, though, investing in an external microphone would still be ideal for more professional audio. Battery life. Battery life is decent, but not exceptional. You can expect around 80 to 90 minutes of continuous recording time on a single charge, which is standard for cameras in this class. It's always a good idea to have spare batteries on hand for longer shoots or travel days. Additional features. The ZV-1M2 includes several features tailored for content creators, such as a flip-out touchscreen for easy framing, customizable picture profiles for creative flexibility, and a dedicated product showcase mode for showcasing products up close with quick autofocus transitions. These features make it clear that Sony has listened to feedback from the community and designed a camera with creators in mind. Conclusion. So, is the Sony ZV-1M2 worth it for content creators? Absolutely. Its compact size, excellent autofocus, and solid video quality make it a standout choice for bloggers, YouTubers, and anyone looking to step up their content game. While it's not perfect, few cameras are, the ZV-1M2 offers a compelling package that delivers where it counts most. Final thoughts. That wraps up my honest review of the Sony ZV-1M2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another camera you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.